And finally, we have Pavel telling us about screen timeouts of my laptop. That should not be screen time, I think. Oh well. Telling us about a wonderful Swiss weekend with Apertus.
Thank you. Okay, hey everybody. Yeah, those who were here yesterday, it's good. Yeah, newcomers, also welcome. So basically today, I think it would be very nice if we finish Data Science Day with something that is about Swiss data science. So, yeah, you know this talk. Let's go to the fact that already, I think many people mentioned that today is Friday. So, like, if you have plans for the weekend, I would say that this is perfect time to travel around Switzerland. Yeah. So, I mean, we live in, I think, the best country in the world. Those who not yet, move. So basically, then like Saturday, Sunday, let's plan how to spend it, and like how should I know? Yeah, like where to go. I can Google, I can do whatever, but I thought, okay, let's ask the one who should know it the best. Swiss AI. And basically Swiss AI, it's called Apertus. I don't remember today it was like mentioned, but maybe it was, sorry. So basically it was released a couple of months ago, and it is like a big project that was many times already announced, and then finally, okay, it was released. It's like EPFL, ETH, Swiss National Supercomputing Center, and today it was like some stuff about like not having a good model in Romansh language. It has, yeah. So like there, if you need to speak Romansh, then please like ask Apertus. So okay, good. I thought that now it's a good moment to do some little app and to just ask, let's say, what I can do. So basically, I use this Apertus that they now released on Hugging Face, as usually all these transformers, and I use the smallest one because I deployed it locally. So I mean, like, I have forgotten to say I'm from ZHW, Zurich University of Applied Sciences. We are not the richest university, so that's why, I mean, like, I can only allow the smallest model. Okay, and I tried, I asked something about, like, traveling from Geneva to Lausanne, and then immediately the problem came. It says, like, okay, leave at 9 a.m., then you arrive at 10:30. I mean, guys, I have mobile phone, yeah, I have, like, Swiss Railways app, and I can check. So basically for tomorrow, this is tomorrow, yeah? So first, it's not about having no train at 9, okay? This is like the least problem. The problem is that trip doesn't go for an hour and a half. No, this is wrong. Though I would say price is pretty good, yeah? Look, I mean, so just think about it. Okay, and then I thought, okay, let's try to then help somehow to Apertus. And I just did it very easily. I took this Swiss Railway API. I used PySBB. And basically, I took this train schedule. I gave it as a hint and also edited like to include rail train schedule as the toggler on the web page. And you know what? It worked immediately. So, I mean, really, it extracted very well the train schedule and the recommendations. I mean, I give them the top, yeah. Obviously, after main activities, there is dinner, there is how to spend the evening, etc., some hints. So, and if you want to see what's going next, then I even, as I said, I seriously deployed it. So, I mean, but, I mean, you can open, you can see that it works, yeah. I'm not sure about you generating anything, because seriously, I don't have yet any queuing, anything like this. I think it would drop immediately, yes? So, I mean, like, open, see, well, nice design, and that's it. But, I mean, like, to me, it's more like a joke project, yeah? That I just wanted to try out Apertus to see it around. But now I think, okay, I can maybe do more. I can maybe add some weather. I can maybe add some Swiss hiking routes, etc. So, I mean, like, to give more help to Apertus, and then to build like a nice Swiss travel AI agent, yeah, or whatever we call it. Yeah, so cool. Feel free to connect, and yeah, thanks for coming today. It was really nice. Thanks.